Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Hillingdon Council Tax account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Hillingdon Council Tax account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in hillingdon.gov.uk and make a search. You will end up on the login page of Hillingdon Council Tax account. Scroll down and enter your username and password associated with your Hillingdon Council Tax account and tap on login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on the link that says reset password option. In case if you don't have an account, tap on register. This is how you can log into your Hillingdon Council Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.